Pole complete. X-59 control is go for takeoff. You are clear, card 1, step 1.
Copy.
Weather's nice up here. You gonna come up and play?
I think so. SA-59, cleared for takeoff. Let's go have some fun.
Chase 1 copies.
Hundred knots go. Okay. Word warned. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1. Alright. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1.
Point complete.
Here we go. There we go. It's good.
Control showing point complete, ready to copy, ops check.
Going up a bit. There we go, there's our push.
Control shows point complete, ready to copy, ops check.
I think that worked.
Control showing point complete. Stand by for data review and ready to copy, ops check.
And can you see altimeter sport?
Entry left is the main runway and use wind calm, altimeter 3019er.
3010. Jason. Gear flaps are down, runway set 23 left, throttle position, we'll get that later. FTA, the switch stays on, but that's about it. Looks good, that looks good. It's very stable.
Control copy, standing by for flutter on 11, 12, and 14.
Once we're on the downwind, then we'll slow to 160 and practice a couple of flares. Tower SA-59 approaching East Lake Shore, gear down, full stop. We'll use the whole length of the runway.
NASA 859, runway 23 left, wind calm, cleared to land with chase.
Comes the flare cue. Suspending.
come down. Little more. Little more. Right home. Okay, decelling. There we go. 9.5, 9,140.
Remains. Ground speed 100.
Comes the flare cue. Suspending. Come on, come down. Down. Little more. Little more. Right home. Okay, decelling.
Decent. I clicked the. Figured that was coming. Thank you.